You have to talk to her.
Huh?
You have to talk to her. When you want her to stop, tell her, whoa. You have to tell her what you want. Junior, be careful in here. These horses are new. They might get crazy and jump, and they might hurt you. Be careful.
When we break them, my sister, when they're gonna get crazy.
No.